Hi, today we are going to know more about search ads and the different type of extensions which are available in a search campaign. I have created a campaign with just one ad group having a keyword buy shoes. Now I will show you how to make a regular text ad, a responsive text ad. So let's go with the basic. In the search ads, we now have three headlines. URL section, just put in your URL. In the headline one, there are two ways to go about it. Always make your headline unique. A. Most of the times, only two headlines are shown in a particular ad, not more than that. So make sure the sentences fall together. So our keyword is buy shoes. So I'm placing buy shoes online at wherein I am emphasizing on the price. If I have a special offer, I would use that as well. In my second headline, I am putting the brand name. And the third headline, I am giving a very generic sentence which will go along with my first headline and the second headline. So now coming to the descriptions, we have 90 characters where we can emphasize more about shoes. So So there are different URL options. You can use tracking options. You can probably customize a URL for different devices, and then just save the ad. You can also create different ads. Right now, I'm going to show you how we can also incorporate different extensions. So I'm going to click on this option. So my text ad is ready. I can add in some more call out extensions wherein I can write more about different products. So I'm writing sandals, sports shoes, gum boots. So they will these would be the call outs which will come here. Once again, you can have specific ad extension working for a specific device with a time frame and a start date and the end date. We can have a schedule as well. So I can save this. So this is how my ad is complete. Now in this ad, I will be showing you how I can edit it as well whenever I need it. Also, I can add some more extension in this. The second type of ad is responsive search ad. Responsive search ad is one of the best performing ads in search. Basically, we can give in unique headlines. So minimum I would give in at least 6 headlines, and similarly unique descriptions. Let me show you an example. So So here are the few headlines which I have made, and you can see a small icon here next to every headline. This is the way you can pin a specific headline. For example, this has a brand name, so I would want this to be on the first position. Similarly, this to be on the first position. So by pinning the headlines together, you make sure that the ad does not have a repetition of messaging. For example, I will make sure TikTok shoes at best price and 10% off on all TikTok shoes don't fall in the same ad. You can also fix a second headline, and simultaneously you can fix a third headline. Similarly, for description, you can make sure that a specific description is shown in the first position or in the second position. So this is a responsive search ad. You must have noticed while I was filling in details here, there is a mechanism where you can check whether your ad is of a good strength. Right now, I have just added a few lines, but the Google Ads interface is already giving me an input that I need to make more unique headlines. So try to follow these recommendations because they tend to give you the best possible inputs, and the your benchmark here should be good instead of average. Okay.